Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to place an order on Temu. I know Temu has terrorized you as it has, especially if you're on the Nigerian internet space. It's been Temu all over the social media, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you go, you'll see this app. So let's see how to place an order. You can download it from the Google Play Store. It's there. When you download it, if you want, you can spin this as a new user, or you just click on that X button to remove this and place your order. So you can easily type on that search bar and place the order, or you can scroll through the app and see what you're looking for. But if want to be more specific and order fast, and also read description please before you make an order here, because sometimes you can see the price of something like this. There's something I'm going to just show you right now. There's this clothes, this t-shirt, and this one now that is showing on the screen. When I saw it, I was like, how can they be selling three t-shirts for 2,700? Until I read the order, the description. It's just this DIY, heat transfer design. The write-up is what they are selling, not the t-shirt. You see, so if you don't read the description, you just go and order for something. Oh, this thing is cheap, and you just order and you get disappointed at the end of the day. So if you want to add anything to your cart, click on add to cart. If not, you can just go out of the using any of these buttons highlighted. You can go back to your Temu to keep searching for all the things you want to find and you want to buy. So um you would watch this video to the end. If you would watch this video to the end, you're going to see how I ordered some things, and you also see their minimum amount to order, and not just their minimum amount to order. You would also see their payment terms. Yeah, their payment terms and conditions. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're here to help us grow this community. Your likes, your shares, and your comments, go a long way to promote this video. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, this is also another heat transfer design that is available on the app. So even the price should tell you that, okay, this is not this item, this is just something fancy. Okay, look at this now. This is a belt. You can check the size guide and choose the color that you want. You can, from time to time, they will bring up their ad. Just click on the X and remove it. So one thing with all these other apps, all these online stores, that once you click on one thing, they will always bring up similar things, similar items for you to check out. Okay, and another thing with Temu is that it's funny with their ad. So if you want to manage your cart, click on that thing that looks like dashboard. You can click on all to select all to add to cart, or just click on select any and remove. Or you can select all at once and remove if you don't want. So you can click on the X button to go out from this particular place. I've removed some things, say remove this bless, and go out. Once I go out, now I wanted to check out. They say the minimum is 30,000 naira. So if I don't have up to 30,000 naira, I cannot shop on them. That's ridiculous. Unlike Jumia, you can just buy something of 3,000, 5,000, and check out. And there's even option to pay on delivery on Jumia. This one, let's watch till the end. So I had to go and search for this denim, and this is size guide. If you are not familiar with the size guide, you can browse on the internet to you know guide you on how to select. So I'm going to continue to check out. I will choose my country, choose my region, choose my address, and every other detail that is needed. So they say free shipping on all others. I don't know if free shipping means free delivery. It's not the same. Shipping is from outside to Nigeria, because within Nigeria you don't ship, you just deliver. So free shipping from outside Nigeria. When it arrives Nigeria, I believe your order comes with payment for the delivery. I don't know if they've gotten pickup stations for states, but anyway, I've added my address, and now this is the total order. They say you have to pay through bank transfer or through ATM. So I'm going to submit my order and payment is processing. Now, these are don't just leave these their pop-ups that is always coming. I don't want their email because they are going to terrorize me with their messages. They're already doing a lot on social media and on the pop-up notifications. Okay, so this is just it. I don't know if you've tried to shop on Temu, but me, no, for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me for more things like this.